Shift, delete, enter, clear series data to remove the previously processed information. I select the XP-Liver display protocol. I open action. I have also coronal on the side, really quick to load. I can go click average to display, also switch to mid mode, increase the slice thickness. I change a little bit the windowing up and I display the vessels. I could flip to maybe sagittal, and the cross is to actually show the anatomical center and synchronize the different orientation. I go back to action. If I click again on the protocol window, I go back to the action with average mode. Now I go directly into the subject, hefty lever. I select the ROI. I select assign to a ROI function, and I go on my action image and I click on the lever parenchyma. I can click on the spread image full screen, zoom a bit in for you to see better, and I click on the lever. Now it's processing. While it's processing, I can already preview my study case because it's not blocked. And now in a few seconds I get my volume of the lever, 983 cubic centimeter, that I can display thanks to the protocol in 3D with a nice surface ROI rendering. Nice, clean, easy. This one I like it, I keep it, I lock it from the first level. Remember we have two levels, but first level is the used one. I go get the lesion, I click inside the lesion, I pick up a volume which is not 100% accurate, so I would use this volume only for an anatomical location information only. Then I go look for my portal vein, I zoom in, I go down a bit, maybe I click from here. This is slice number 63, and I click at the beginning of the portal vein. It is computing. Again, I can pre-visualize and check on already start playing with my 3D while the processing is running. It's now finished. This is what I picked up in a click. I review the segmentation is correct. If it's not, sometimes you might want to give an extra click, like for the hepatic vein. So I give one click. Hepatic vein starts from the very top of the liver. I click inside the hepatic vein, even if the hefty liver ROI was on top of it, I don't care because I protect it only first level. So now I picked up the left hepatic vein, which is displayed on the right, but this is the radiology left. Then I click on the other branches to add some more. Okay, so this is nice. If I want, I also go at this one. See, the segmentation efficiency is really image dependent. So based on the contrast, based on the motion artifact and the injection protocol, the result might require a few manual actions, but you see it's very easy, just click again and that's it. So now what we have here, we have a nice 3D model of the hepatic vein and the portal vein with the relation with the tumor. And what we would like to do here is the hepatic surgery planning. So I protect the ROI to keep this model original. I select the hefty liver because I want to do surgery, and I click on cutting surface toolbar to run to practice the cutting plane. I directly draw from the 3D. This is really similar than in the operating room. I draw around, I can split, I can rotate any angle I want to review. This is something I like. I press enter to validate the cutting plane and to have a surface. You must be careful that the blue square goes through all the rows. So the first step is to extend it and have some margin. Okay, this is good. Then after you can do the major modification by translating the toolbar. Okay, maybe here a little bit more like this, so I will just be in the middle hepatic vein. And now I click on the pink square. I also want to hide the hepatic vein because we will focus on the portal vein. And I need to go drag this plane thanks to the deform cutting surface in the 3D. I have a little sunny shape that I can adjust the size by pressing the Alt key from the keyboard and dragging back and forth. And I can just click on the plane and just start to modify the orientation. I would make it more precise in this case. And just go and cut. I can review in the 3D. This seems to be nice. I can put back the hepatic vein if I'm happy. Cross check. Okay, again it's quite nice. And look with the lever. And I also cross check with 2D reading. So we have this orange line that follows the 3D interpolation. I can also go and decide to measure annotation. Make sure the safety distance is okay. And when I'm happy with all my planning, I just decide to run the surgery. I split the rod, and I decide which part I want to keep or remove. So this is the head liver. I click on this area, and this is how to create two different rods, so two different regions of interest. I have the volume. I know it will only be 34.36%. So if I do this scenario, so it might not be enough. We might want to go and drag further down. Okay.